Assalamu alaikum everyone. So basically आज I wanted to discuss a very sensitive issue. किसी ने ये पोस्ट शेयर की थी और मैंने इसको रीपोस्ट भी किया और the problem is I'm seeing this every day. So currently I have 4 or 5 patients who come to me every month या जब भी उनका treatment का cycle होता है and we are discussing their marital relationship and we are discussing their family situation and we are discussing their relationship with their husband. So in short, all of them, they're suffering from the pressures from the in-laws, from the husband, and in-laws family is only keen to know how long the daughter-in-law is gonna survive. Is she gonna make it? अगर नहीं survive कर सकती, why should we spend money on her treatment? And if she's surviving, तो will she be able to have children in the future or not? And then the husband is like, obviously the husband, for most of our families, the husband is going to listen to the parents. So each of them is being threatened that अगर आपकी लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी कम है, अगर आपने जिंदा ही नहीं रहना, अगर आपके बच्चे ही नहीं हो सकते और अगर आपका ट्रीटमेंट इतना महंगा है, तो why should you stay with us? Why should we accept you? So majority of them, they abandoned their wives, majority of them, they abandoned them, और they abandoned their children as well. अगर उनके कोई already 1-2 बच्चे होते हैं उसको भी छोड़ देते हैं. So this is a mindset. और मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि सिर्फ हमारे मुल्क में होता है, ये बाहर भी होता है. So बाहर भी, when it comes to cost, when it comes to health, and when it comes to this kind of a disease, people leave their wives, they don't accept them, they don't take responsibility. So what can we do? So अभी recently एक बच्ची है जिसको divorce हुई है with a daughter, और husband ने दूसरी शादी कर ली है क्योंकि he wanted more children, he wanted a healthy wife. उसके बाद recently there is another young patient. She tells me her husband is not good with her and she has been sick for the past 2 years, so he's no more interested कि वो उसका responsibility उठाए, so she's financially broken. So उसके बाद there is another girl. She tells me that her husband is so difficult that if he knows that the wife is going to have mastectomy, the husband will leave her. So this is the situation. So I mean, for these young girls who are having trauma of this diagnosis, who are having the pain of this treatment, and on top of that they are also facing